Ladies and gentlemen, it's hard to deny the growing presence of Teslas on the road, with one model in particular capturing our attention, the Tesla Model Y. This remarkable vehicle has become a symbol of the electric revolution. But what exactly sets it apart and makes it such a crowd favorite? From its impressive range to its exhilarating performance and the futuristic technology it boasts, this electric marvel is redefining what it means to drive in the 21st century. So in this video, I'll be going over why the Tesla Model Y is the best value EV to buy right now. But before we delve into the details, let's take a moment to explore the various trims and specifications of the Model Y. It comes as a standard range, long range, and performance trim, each tailoring to different preferences and different budgets. And speaking of budgets, with a base price of $47,740, it's already an attractive option. However, it gets better when you factor in the potential tax incentives. With up to $7,500 in federal tax credits, this brings the effective price down to just over $40,000. Now that's what I call a bargain. But it's not just a price tag that makes the Tesla Model Y an irresistible choice. With a long-range model that can travel up to 330 miles on a single charge, it outperforms most of its competitors in the electric realm. But when it comes to the price tag, the Tesla Model Y stands out as a true bargain in today's automotive market. Let's take a closer look at the numbers to understand why. In a time when the average new car price hovers around $50,000, the affordability of the Model Y is a breath of fresh air. Comparing this to the average new car price of around $30,000 back in 2012, it's clear that the industry has seen a significant increase in cost over the years. The rising trend of car prices surpassing the rate of inflation has been particularly noticeable since 2014, with 2021 and 2022 witnessing even more substantial spikes due to factors like declining public transportation and supply shortages. However, the good news is that the automotive industry is gradually recovering from these challenges in 2023. One of the most compelling reasons why the Tesla Model Y is a true bargain lies in the federal tax incentive that comes with it. Currently, the Model Y qualifies for the full $7,500 tax credit, providing significant savings to eligible buyers. Now, to take advantage of the full $7,500, there are certain criteria you need to meet as an individual, including income limits. It's important to check the specific requirements to ensure eligibility. Additionally, the amount of the tax credit you can claim depends on your tax liability. If you owe at least $7,500 in federal taxes, you can receive the full credit. However, if your tax burden is lower than the credit amount, you can only claim the credit up to the amount you owe. The federal tax credit can be a game changer for potential Tesla buyers, as it effectively reduces the cost of owning a Model Y. By leveraging the tax credit, you can significantly lower the overall price you pay for the vehicle, making it an even more affordable option compared to traditional gas-powered counterparts. Now, it's worth noting that the tax credits are non-refundable, meaning that you can only reduce your tax liability to zero. You also cannot carry forward any excess credit for future tax years, and you cannot claim it retroactively for previous years. When it comes to pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology, Tesla stands in a league of its own, and here's why. One key reason why I believe the Tesla Model Y represents exceptional value is Tesla's unwavering commitment to R&D, particularly in battery cell development. While other automakers spend significant amounts on advertising to promote their vehicles, Tesla takes a different approach. Tesla's substantial investment in R&D sets it apart from other automakers and solidifies its position as an industry leader. This strategic allocation of resources is what truly sets Tesla apart. Tesla primarily relies on organic growth and limited marketing efforts, diverting its financial resources towards R&D instead. Unlike its competitors, Tesla allocates a staggering amount of resources to R&D. In fact, Tesla spends nearly $3,000 on R&D per car produced, and that's 3 times the industry average. This significant investment not only demonstrates Tesla's dedication to continuous innovation, but also highlights its determination to maintain its technological edge in the electric vehicle space. By dedicating a substantial portion of its budget to R&D, Tesla can focus on enhancing the performance, range, and overall efficiency of its vehicles. This approach allows the Model Y to benefit from the latest advancements in battery technology, ensuring exceptional driving experiences and extended range capabilities for owners. When it comes to considering alternatives to the Tesla Model Y, both in the gas and electric categories, it's clear that the Model Y offers a significant value proposition. In terms of the gas alternatives, 2 popular contenders are the Mercedes GLC AMG and the BMW X3M. In a recent in-depth video, I conducted a thorough analysis comparing the Model Y's electricity expenses to the gas cost of these 2 vehicles. The savings I personally had were simply astonishing. The Model Y emerged as a clear winner, offering not only similar specs in terms of horsepower, torque, and size, but also a significantly lower sticker price. Factoring in the $7,500 federal tax credit available for new Tesla owners, and the cost advantage becomes even more pronounced. As far as electric alternatives go, to briefly name a few such as the Ford Mustang Mach-E, the Kia EV6, and the Mercedes EQB. While these are solid options, the Model Y's overall package makes it increasingly difficult to justify choosing these alternatives. With its impressive range, ample horsepower, access to the extensive supercharging network, and spacious interior, the Model Y excels in every category. When you consider the complete ownership experience, the Model Y emerges as the undeniable leader among its electric counterparts. The combination of factors that sets the Model Y apart is hard to beat. It's no wonder that more and more buyers are flocking to the Model Y, recognizing its unbeatable combination of features and advantages. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tick that notification bell for more content like this in the future. And real quick, Tesla has once again changed the referral program. If you place an order for a Model Y or a Model 3, you now get $500 off along with 3 months of full self-driving. And if you buy a Model S or a Model X, you get $1,000 off along with 3 months of full self-driving. If you're interested in taking advantage of these referral benefits, be sure to use my referral link in the description below. It's a win-win situation because not only will you enjoy the perks of a Tesla referral program, but you'll also be supporting this channel. One of the standout advantages of a Tesla is a supercharging network. With over 45,000 superchargers strategically located worldwide, you can enjoy quick and convenient charging wherever your adventures take you. The Tesla Supercharger network is a game changer for electric vehicle owners. It alleviates range anxiety by providing high-powered charging stations that allow you to replenish your battery quickly. With Tesla's latest V3 supercharger technology, you can experience charging speeds of up to 250 kilowatts, enabling you to get back on the road in no time. This means you can spend less time waiting for your vehicle to charge and more time enjoying the journey. And as a quick side note, your primary method of charging should be at home, as this is by far the most convenient because you can simply let your car charge up overnight while you sleep. But the benefits of the supercharger network extend beyond fast charging. Tesla's commitment to convenience is evident in the Road Trip Planner. This feature helps you plan out your routes by mapping out charging spots along the way, ensuring you always have access to your nearby supercharger. When it comes to maintenance, the Tesla Model Y is in a league of its own. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, owning a Tesla comes with significantly lower maintenance costs and a simplified upkeep process. In fact, the Model Y is among the lowest maintenance vehicles on the market today. I recently made a 20,000-mile review of my Tesla Model Y long range, and the amount I spent over 20,000 miles on maintenance costs is absolutely shocking. I'll link that video in the description below for you to check out, but briefly, your Tesla should generally be serviced on an as-needed basis. With a Tesla, maintenance becomes a breeze. Gone are the days of regular oil changes, transmission fluid checks, and spark plug replacements. Tasks such as topping up the windshield washer fluid, changing the air cabin filter, and performing tire rotations or replacements are the primary maintenance requirements for a Model Y. By eliminating the need for complex engine components, Tesla has simplified the maintenance process, saving you both time and money. You no longer have to worry about spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each month on routine maintenance. With a Tesla, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with minimal maintenance requirements. Not only does a low maintenance approach save you money, but it also contributes to the overall convenience and reliability of owning a Tesla. Without the need for frequent visits to the service center or dealing with time-consuming maintenance tasks, you can fully embrace a seamless and enjoyable ownership experience that the Model Y offers. One of the most impressive features of the Tesla Model Y is that it comes standard with Autopilot. Tesla Autopilot offers autonomous driving features like steering you along the curves of your lane and maintaining a safe distance from the cars around you. If you're not already familiar with it, Autopilot is Tesla's semi-autonomous driving system. How does it work, you ask? Well, Teslas are surrounded by cameras and are able to provide a complete picture of the road ahead. They're able to track other vehicles, pedestrians, and even road markings, allowing your Tesla to make real-time decisions about how to best navigate the road. And if you want to take your Autopilot experience to the next level, you can purchase full self-driving. With this upgrade, your Tesla becomes even more capable, with features like automatic navigation to your destination, the ability to recognize and respond to traffic lights and stop signs, and even the ability to park itself in a parking spot with just a press of a button. Of course, it's important to remember that Autopilot is not a fully autonomous driving system, and it's always important to stay alert and keep your hands on the wheel. When you own a Tesla, you'll soon realize that you'll also get software updates to your car. Tesla began and perfected the over-the-air update system, where instead of releasing a new and redesigned car with each model year, updates bring enhanced capabilities right to your fingertips. Whether it's improvements to Autopilot, enhancements to the battery management system, or other exciting software upgrades, your Model Y stays up to date without the need for a new purchase. The Tesla app is very useful. It provides an array of convenient features right at your fingertips. With a simple glance at the app's home screen, you can effortlessly access vital information about your vehicle and take control of various functions. From the app, you can monitor the status of your Tesla, including its battery level, range, and charging progress. This real-time data allows you to stay informed and plan your journeys with ease. Want to ensure a comfortable temperature inside your car before stepping in? No problem, the app allows you to turn on climate controls remotely so you can step into a perfect cabin every time. But the Tesla app goes beyond mere convenience. You can view Sentry Mode live from the app. When enabled, Sentry Mode activates the vehicle's cameras, serving as an intelligent security system. It not only records suspicious activity around your Tesla when it's locked and parked, but also sends alerts to your phone, allowing you to take immediate action if needed. The live feed from the Sentry Mode cameras can be viewed directly from the Tesla app, giving you a peace of mind and a clearer view of your car's surroundings. When it comes to storage, the Tesla Model Y sets a new standard for versatility and convenience. With a spacious interior, it offers ample legroom and headroom, ensuring that both drivers and passengers can enjoy a comfortable and relaxing ride, even on long journeys. But it doesn't stop there. The Model Y also excels in cargo space, providing you with the flexibility to bring all of your essentials and more. With a generous rear trunk and a front trunk, you have plenty of room to store your belongings, whether it's luggage for a weekend getaway or sports equipment for your outdoor adventures. The Model Y's thoughtful design and layout make it easy to access and organize your cargo, allowing you to make the most of every inch of space. And if you want the best accessories to take advantage of every aspect of the interior of the Model Y, be sure to check out my latest accessories video where I go over the best and most essential accessories to have for your Tesla. I'll link that video in the description below for you to check out. Whether you're embarking on a family road trip or simply running errands around town, the Model Y's storage capabilities and interior create an unforgettable driving experience. Overall, I think that the Tesla Model Y is the best value EV right now because of all of these reasons I just listed. The Model Y performance checks all of the boxes for my needs, and this is why I recommend it to anyone in the market for one. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with Teslas in the comments down below. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.